Guys, welcome back for another food review. My name is Chris, I'm your host of the show. Today's video is going to be a small pizza joint. I'm not exactly sure if they're only SoCal based, Southern California based or not. I know they have about maybe 5 to 7 locations in Southern California. I'm not sure if they're nationwide, West Coast, or just California. Right here in front of me, we have an extra large first class pizza in a class by itself. I like the presentation. Let's go ahead and take a look at the pie. All right, let's take a look at this fine pie here. Nice Parmesan. I like that. Looking good right there. Let's go ahead and take a little peek at it here. Ooh, that's a beautiful pie. That is a beautiful pie. This again is the extra large specialty. Great white here. Look at the crust. Look at the oven baked crust, just looking gorgeous. Look at the bubble here. Look at how the Alfredo sauce and the chicken. Look at the chunks of chicken, the mushrooms. Look how fresh that is. Look at over here, the cheese and the crust. This is what I would call a deeper dish. Definitely not thin crust, definitely not your Papa John's. This is about double the thickness of Papa John's crust. As you can see over here, look at the size of that one over there. But coming around to real big chunks of chicken, mushrooms, Parmesan already on it here, looking absolutely fantastic. That's a great pie. Let's go ahead and sit on down and take a slice. All right, guys, right here in front of you, we're gonna go ahead and grab a nice little slice. This is a big pie. This is a big pie. You know what? For you guys, I'm gonna go with the bubble one that we saw, the one that has a little bit more of a cushion to it there. Ah, that's a nice slice. That's a nice wet slice right there. Let's get it with 2 fingers. We got the bubble right there. Nice chunk of chicken. Parmesan on top of there. It smells great. It smells delicious. I literally want to wear this as deodorant. It's just delicious. Okay, we're going in for the first slice. We're gonna take one bite. We're gonna go ahead and assess the situation. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. The Alfredo sauce with the chicken. Mm. And then the mushrooms on top of that. Mm. That's a good slice of pie. Wow. Wow. Mm. I mean, that's a party in your mouth. That's a party in your mouth. Let's go just the crust here. It's a very nice texture. The fill is just absolutely delicious. I don't know if it's delicious yet, but the texture looks delicious. Hold on. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Nice consistency. Chewy. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and chewy. That's good bread. That's good bread. I want to dip that in olive oil and with a little balsamic vinegar. I'll tell you what, Olive Garden should have this as their breadsticks. That is a good slice. Wow. Very impressed. Okay, 1 out of 5 slices, what do we give it? Initial reaction, 5 slices. Beautiful presentation. Beautiful consistency of toppings all the way up into the edge of the crust. Maybe slightly a little bit of Alfredo with some spacing between the crust. Not bad. I still give that 5 slices. Freshness, 5 slices. Consistency, 5 slices. Overall texture, I'm gonna go with 4.2. It's a wet slice, but it's a good slice. It's gonna fall apart on you if you try to grab it with one hand. It's not a one-hand pizza slice. 4.2 on consistency and taste, we're gonna go probably 4.8. 5 would be like you just won the lottery and you just ate the perfect slice on the way home from winning the lottery. 4.8 overall. Well, first class pizza, you guys have done a great job. Thank you to my boy Rob down there at the shop. I called in, he was closing. He said, hey man, I can't make another slice. He actually called me back and said, hey man, I'm actually closing up a little bit longer than expected. You want that slice? Come down and get it. He got a good tip and I got a good slice. And I appreciate a slice just like you, so I'll have their information linked below. If they have an Instagram, website, etc., I'll have them linked below. We'll see you guys on the next food review. My name's Chris, your host once again. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.